Maytag Commercial Laundry Multi-Load Washer for on-premise laundry. These machines not only make your on-premise laundry room sparkle, but they have the customization capability to increase the efficiency of your laundry operations. Maytag Commercial Laundry Multi-Load Washer's intelligent controls are user-tested to improve clarity and efficiency in your on-premise laundry location. With a full-color 4.5-inch LCD display that features up to 99 fully customizable cycles, you will have a wash experience tailored specifically for your needs. If this seems daunting, don't worry. Your machine service person will help you in programming your machine. When the cycle begins, the controls take advantage of the full-color LCD to communicate the current cycle, a progress bar, and the time remaining. These visuals increase overall turnaround time and efficiency for your machines, as your employees will know exactly when the laundry has completed its wash. With these options at the fingertips of laundry operations managers, you will feel empowered to get the wash you want while helping to save on labor. Maytag Commercial Laundry Multi-Load Washer. Dependable, customizable, and built for you.